Hey, did you know motion designers spend 90% of their work time on animating keyframes? Things can get pretty exhausting when there's a tight deadline on the way. Stop wasting your time. There's a better way. It's easy to be a pro with our new tool, Presets Pro. Thousands of awesome text and animation presets are here to save you time and money. No keyframes. No special skills required. Even if you're an absolute beginner or an advanced user, you'll find this project incredibly useful. Select the layer you want to animate, choose the desired preset, add it in one click, and watch the magic happen. Need to make changes? You can add or replace any preset easily in one click. Just select the layer you need and choose the desired preset. Animation will change with no hassle and without ever affecting the design. Combine text and animation presets. You can apply separate text and animation presets to one layer to achieve more variety and get interesting combinations. Reapply animation or text presets separately with the click of a button. Experiment with combinations, try different results, and have fun. Easy to modify. You can modify parameters such as scale, position, rotation, and more. Change animation type with the click of a button and without any keyframes. Workflow tools. Also, we've created a nifty tool to make your life even easier. With our presets panel, you can change anchor point, edit animation duration and time parameters, stag layers, and much more. Take your project to the next level with Presets Pro. But that's not all. We've come even further and created a set of bootstrap templates. 64 layout combinations based on professional typographic grids, which you can use to quick start your next awesome project.